Hey guys, it's Rahul here, back with another video. Hope you're all doing fine. It's pretty early in the morning. Probably it's close to 8, just past 8:30, and I'm finally heading to class. Really kind of a bit late, but oh well. My teacher's awesome, so I should be fine. And yeah, so today I'm gonna be working on my drone project again. Maybe edit some of the other day's vlog, like maybe the first part of that video. I should hopefully get that edited. And after that I'm probably gonna go to J-Car, get something, have some lunch, and class again. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No,
so I'm done with editing and done with eating. So now I'm heading over to J-Car and get some electronics for my project. So yeah, actually I'm not done with editing. Editing takes a long time. So yeah, it's really fun, but also really time consuming at the same time. So yeah, now let's head to J-Car and grab some electronics, maybe a bit for my soldering iron, so then I can solder on that little voltage regulator. So yeah, let's go do that.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will.
Okay, there's that done. So I went to J-Car, got this stuff. Now that I got that, I have to head over to QV. So I'm going to pick up a parcel for a friend, and we'll see if we'll get that. And I got a call from my dad earlier today. First of all, we're getting his car service, which is good, because like the tires are pretty much out. And also, what do you call it? Yeah, so I got a call from my dad and my battery has arrived for my drone, which is good because that took a long time to arrive. Let's quickly cross. Alright, well let's head to QV, grab that parcel and head back to class.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And take it slow.
Alright guys, so I just got back from Arduino class and I learned how to solder today, or properly solder. So I did a lot of practice on like this random proto board with a bunch of resistors, an LED and I think another wire. Just got that working, which it seems okay. Like I really need to practice a lot more before I can solder the AMS 1117, which is a super tiny chip. So yeah, I'll get that done. And apart from that, it seems to be going pretty well. So yeah, now I'm finally going home, gonna edit this video, and my arm's gonna kill me. Take care guys.